In this video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. So first you want to head over to youtube.com, and once you're here, make sure you're logged into the correct channel. So you can see if you click on your channel icon, you will be able to see what channel you're going to delete here. If you want to change it, go to switch account and then switch to another account. You may have to log into it. So once you're on your right YouTube channel, go ahead and click on your channel icon, then go to your YouTube studio. And once you're inside of your studio, we can head into the settings. So once you're inside of studio, go ahead and then click on settings. And then what you can do, you can go ahead and go to channel. Then if you go to advanced settings, you can then scroll down and here you will see remove YouTube content. Go ahead and click on that. And that will open up Google in a new window where you may have to re-log in to your YouTube channel. So once you've logged in, it will then give you these options. You can then hide or delete your content from YouTube. So if you want to permanently delete your channel, click I want to permanently delete my channel. And then if you check these two boxes, your channel will be deleted as well as your videos, subscribers, subscriptions, and so on. So make sure you read this and understand this. Then you can click delete my content and then your channel and content will be deleted. That's how to do it. I hope that did help you out.